Introducing the SCD Registrars Virtual AGM services. The SCD portal lets you attend your company's AGM meeting online, vote on open resolutions, and confirm on previous minutes using your smartphone or computer. This video will show how. First, you need to input your SCD number and the link will be sent to your email and by SMS to your registered phone number. The sent link will log you into the SCD portal and automatically launch the AGM video meeting if it has already started. You will have access to options like Overview for description of the day's events, Agenda for business to be conducted and presenters. You can choose to vote or abstain on resolutions open and confirm on previous minutes. You can also register to vote on the phone using the USSD in 2 easy steps. Step 1. Dial *272*101# and press OK. Step 2. Register with your SCD number and after, select the AGM you wish to be a part of or view the agenda or vote on resolutions such as confirming the previous minutes by selecting